there, pluckers. Other sore fingers again, with hopefully a little bit of fun for you, nothing too serious, okay? This is a song by, obviously, the Rolling Stones from way back when, and I Can't Get No Satisfaction, for a single acoustic guitar. Obviously, if you're on your own on a campfire or on a barbecue or whatever, you know, obviously that's okay, but it's a bit thin, isn't it, just for a single acoustic guitar. So I've just put together this little arrangement for a single acoustic guitar, okay? So what you heard there was all the bits that you need, okay? So we're in standard tuning, no capo, doing the same key as the Stones originally did it in, key of E, okay? So instead of going, I mean, if you want to do that and you don't know it already, you've been living on the moon or something, second fret of the 5th string up to the 4th fret and up to the 5th fret, all on the 5th string. Back to the 4th fret and start again, okay? You do it with one finger. Okay, so that's the basic riff, okay? But what I was doing, I was trying to do it with chords, so it's a bit easier for a get together or whatever, okay? And it's all on an E chord, an A chord, and a D sus2. So that's a D chord with the open top E string. So take off your second finger there, leave the top E string open. Okay, so it's okay, so it's another one, A, D sus2, back to A. Bit quick, but practice, I'm sure it'll come a bit of practice, okay? So obviously it does that 4 times to start with, okay? So it's, I'll play it slowly, okay? So it's, singing comes in. I can't get no. Now a little bit of a riff here. 2nd fret 5th string, slide up to the 4th fret. To the 2nd fret 4th string. Right, so it's I can't get no. Back to that 4th fret on the 5th string. So it's slide 2 to 4 on the 5th string. To the 2nd on the 4th, back to the 4th fret on the 5th string. Then play open A string after that. Okay, open 5th string with an A chord. Okay, so it's I can't get no satisfaction. And you do that riff again, repeat the riff and go back to E. And play the bottom E string after the riff. Bottom E string, E chord. Right, so it's I can't get no satisfaction. Again, no satisfaction. Now comes the next bit. Let's try B7. Try. Now you can just play the B7. Try E, A. Try. So that's what I E, I try. B7, try. E, try. A, try. Now the riff in. Can't get no. Okay, but I like to put in the riff. Okay, so it goes I try, and I try. Try. And it's a bit quick, but it's quite nice to put it in if you can. And that's a try, E, B7 is just a single stroke, try, because you haven't got time now to do anything else. Right, so again that's a hammer from 2 to 4 on the 5th string to the 2nd on the 4th. Right, now you go to the 4th on the 4th and pull off to the 2nd. to the fourth on the fifth. So you got, and finally second on the fourth to the fourth on the fourth. Slowly. So you can do it. So, I mean, you can do it single notes, or you could hammer that first one, or you could play two separate notes. It's up to you. But I think it's quicker if you do it hammer. Okay, then you go to E. Try. Sorry, just try. Let's do it slowly. I try. E to A. Try. Now the riff. And then you just keep doing the riff, okay? In my car, my man comes on the radio. He's telling me more and more about some useless information. Goes to find my imagination. I can't get over. Stop. Bum 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 bum. No. Riff. And off into the first bit again. I can't get no satisfaction. I can't get no satisfaction. 'Cause I try. I try. You get the idea, don't you? Sorry about the singing, it's just for reference, okay? I can't sing this one by Toffee, as you can hear. Okay, so there you are, boys and girls. My down and dirty single guitar audio acoustic version of the Rolling Stones' I Can't Get No Satisfaction. Campfire version. Thanks very much for listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson.